Hi, my name is Shogat, and today I am going to show you how you can track the ranking for your Google profile and how you can optimize it for better ranking. If you want me to perform an in-depth audit on your roofing business, then please check the link in the description and share your website link. I'll perform an in-depth audit and send the report back within 24 hours. Now let me show how you can check the rankings and current status of your Google profile. So to do that, you have to use a site called localfalcon.com. It's a paid site and the basic package costs $25 per month. Since I already signed up for the basic package, now let me show how you can check the ranking for the top keywords that you want to rank for your Google profile. The first thing you have to do is you have to click on quick scan after logging into your local Falcon account. And then you have to click on this area, and there are options to search your business name by clicking on the search option, or you can click on import, and then you can connect your account by going into manage accounts, and then you can connect your Google Search Console account, and then you can import your Google profile, and then you have to do the same that I'm going to do after this step. Once you do import, then you have to follow the same. Since I don't have Google Search Console access for this particular business that I'm going to perform an audit, that's why I'll use the search option. You can use this to perform an audit of your competitors as well. So let me search the business name here and click on search. It will take some time, and then you'll be able to select the business from this area. I want to track the ranking of this top listing, so I'll select this. The next thing after the selection of right business, you have to select the grid. Let's say if you select a grid of 5x5, please be aware that when you select a grid, then there is a cost associated with it. With a 5x5, you will spend more credits than with a grid of 3x3. What I do is I usually select the 5x5 grid, and then you have to select the radius here. So let's say if you select a 5-mile radius, the distance is also associated with the cost. If you select a radius that's far away from your physical location, then you are going to spend more credit. So usually I select 5-mile radius and 5x5 grids. So what it does is places 5x5 points on this 5-mile radius. Let's say if I select a 9x9, then it will place more pins and check the rankings for in more places for your business. Since there is a cost associated with it, let me select 5x5. After doing that, then you have to make sure that if there is a pin that's placed in, if it's in between water, then you have to just click and delete that. Right now, this is a pin that need to be disabled. So what you have to do is you have to click on this to disable this. Another one I want to disable. So you are going to save the credits for the pins that are in this area where we don't want to track the ranking. After this, the next thing you have to do is you have to add the keywords that you want to track. Let's say I want to track the ranking of my Google profile for roofing contractors, and then I'll also add more keywords that are relevant. Let me find out the keywords from the website. Let's say it's a roofing and remodeling company in Wilmington. Let's take out the keywords from the services. Let's say roofing company. I want to track the ranking for roofing company. Let me add roofing company. And then you can see roofing installations. Let's say roofing installations. You can use the location name as well. So these are the 3 keywords that I want to track the ranking for. And to track the ranking, I'll click on run scans. And then you can see I already have performed a ranking check for a couple of keywords before this audit. So there will be more keywords in the ranking list after the completion of this scan. You can add more keywords if you want to track the ranking, but I just used 3 for this example. So let me go into the reports by clicking in this area and see if it has tracked ranking for any keyword. Once you click on that, you'll be able to see this area. So these are in progress, but I already have performed a ranking check for these keywords, you can see. So let me explain what these are. This is the date, and this is the keyword that I am tracking the ranking, and this is the business name, this is the size of the grid, and this is the radius, and these are the points that I spend on this keyword. And when it comes to the ARP, is average ranking position compared to the top 20 listings. So this is going to compare the ranking for the top 20 listings in your area, and this average total ranking position is the comparison with all listings in your local area instead of the top 20. And this is the share of local voice. So it means that if it's showing 8%, then 8% people see your business on position 9 when they search roofing contractors. This is how it works. So this is how you can track. For this keyword, roofing and sliding services, when people search from your local city, then this particular business is showing on position 7 as compared to the top 20 listing, and position 10 as compared to the all listings for 8% of people. So this is not a good ranking. To improve the ranking, you have to make it to the top 3 in order to attract clicks and calls and sales. For this particular keyword, this is the brand name for this website, and the website is ranking on position 1 as compared to the top 20 listings, and position 1 as compared to all listings for 100% of people that are searching this particular brand name. So you can see the ranking for different keywords. And for this keyword, the website is showing on position 1.32, and it is you can say on position 1 for 92% of people for this particular keyword. So this is how you can track the ranking for your Google profile. The ranking check is now completed. You can see this keyword is ranking on position 7. It's 0%. So no one is going to see the website for this particular keyword. For roofing company, this website is ranking on position 4 as compared to the top 20 listings, and on position 4 for all listings for 56% of the people. So this is showing on position 5. The share of local voice is 47, and this is the ranking. So let's say you want to improve the ranking for any of these keywords. Let's select this one. If you want to rank our website to the top 3 and to the top 1, what we can do. The next thing you have to do is you have to click on AI analysis. Once you do that, then this tool will suggest small changes that will help rank this particular keyword to the top 3. Please be aware that Google reviews matter a lot. If you are getting a lot of reviews, then you are going to get more and more results. So this is also going to show you a more detailed ranking review, and you can see in this particular area, this really near to the business location is ranking on 1. Is ranking on position 1 in these areas as well. When it comes to these areas, you can see the ranking drops. So it's not ranking on position 1 within the 5-mile radius. It's ranking in some areas, but in other areas, it's not ranking the top 1. So by making small changes, we can improve the ranking in these areas as well. So to do that, you can go into the recommendations and you can just read the recommendations. You can see the first one says your business description has only 23 words. Consider expanding it to be more descriptive. So this is a small recommendation we can do to improve the is you have to be aware that this is also analyzing your top competitors and then suggest the changes based on what the competitors are doing. And the next thing is considering increasing your grid size from 5x5 to 7x7 to get more granular visibility. So we can try this as well. And the third thing, what it says is consider adding scans for some other keywords that we can try. So this is another recommendation. And you can see that it also shows us vulnerable competitors. So these are the top tips that we can follow to improve the ranking, because let's talk about the first one. On a pin to the west where you are ranked H3, you have an opportunity to outrank Nova Roof Systems LLC, who is ranked H2 and has a star rating of 5 with 405 reviews. This location is 13.49 miles from the pin, whereas you are 2.5 miles. So this is near to our location. Your location is closer than the competitors, and it gives us a competitive advantage. Nova Roof System LLC is using the following categories, which are different from yours: window installation service. We can add 9 secondary categories to our Google profile. So let's say we add this as our secondary category, then we are going to get higher ranking than the competitor that is far from the location. And all of these are the recommendations which can be followed. I don't recommend going through all of these. Some of these recommendations might be not relevant to your business. So just go with the ones that they're aligned with your services. And once you do that, focus on getting reviews, as reviews are going to define how valuable your services are. And once you do that, you will start seeing good results on Google, and your website will start ranking higher as well. If you want me to perform an in-depth audit of both your Google profile and your website, feel free to send it through the link in the description of this video. I hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.